Hey guys, this is Lici LadyBarber and I want to talk to you about a few clipper basics. The first thing you'll want to look at when purchasing a clipper is what type of motor does it run with. The reason this is important is because you'll want to compare which tool is best suited for your cutting needs. The two specific motor types that I'm going to introduce are the magnetic motors and the pivot motors. The magnetic motor has a lower power with a high speed. This is best suited for cutting lighter hair textures, whereas the pivot motor has a higher power but a lower blade speed. This motor type is best suited for coarse, thick hair. Both clippers contain a blade adjustment lever located on the side of the tool used to adjust the space between the upper and lower blade. This function allows you to cut hair at various lengths. When you push the lever up, it means you close the clipper so that both blades sit closely together. When the clipper is closed, the hair is cut at the shortest length. When you pull the lever down, now you've opened the clipper so that the blades are sitting furthest apart, leaving hair just a bit longer. When working with longer lengths, you can use attachment cones, which allows for transitioning within the haircut. The higher the number on the guard, the longer the length. Most guards are 1/8 of an inch apart, so number 1 would be 1/8 of an inch, number 2 1/4 of an inch, and moving to the number 4, well, this would be equivalent to 1/2 an inch. It's best to start with the longest attachment cone and work your way down to preserve length. Remember, you can cut more hair off, but you can't put the hair back on. Worried about cutting yourself? Don't worry. Clippers are really a risk to cut your skin or someone else's as long as the blades are aligned. If the blades are not, you can adjust them. Simply keep the cutting blade from surpassing the steel blade. If clippers become excessively loud, the clipper can also be adjusted. Keep your clippers in optimum condition by cleaning, disinfecting, and oiling your tools.
To clean your clipper, first remove any large fragments of hair using a blade brush. Use Andis clipper oil to lubricate and clean the blades. With the tool running, place 3 drops of oil across the teeth of the blade and 1 drop on each back rail. Let it run for about a minute. Then turn off the clipper and blot the excess with a clean, dry towel. To disinfect your clipper, turn on the tool and spray the blade from 6 inches away with Cool Care Plus. Spray the front and back of the blade. Then turn off the tool and wipe off the excess spray with a clean, dry cloth.
When holding your clippers, rest them over your fingers and place your thumb over the top. Keep from palming them, otherwise you'll lose flexibility and range of motion by doing so. And use your fingers to move the clipper back and forth. And finally, the biggest question of all, should you go cordless? Think about comfort and ease. Using a cordless clipper will allow you to maneuver easily throughout the haircut and keep you from getting tangled.